Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. We are in Rome, as you can see from the tourists. I hope you can hear me. Here it's beautiful and today I'm back home. So we are going to cook a dish typical of Rome and very ketogenic. So stay tuned and let's go to the kitchen.
I am finally home at last.
Today we are going to prepare the famous cacio e pepe. So we will need the pepe, that is black pepper, and the cacio, that is the pecorino cheese. If you cannot find it, you can also use grated parmesan cheese. I apologize to all the Roman people for telling this. Then heavy cream, butter, and we will not prepare it with pasta but with mushrooms, and these are chanterelles. Then a pinch of salt. But as usually, I forgot one ingredient. I forgot the powdered garlic. If you want, you can use also a clove of garlic, cut it very little, but you know, in my family we don't like pieces of garlic, but we love the flavor, so I will use powdered one. Let's start the cooking by melting our butter in a pan. This will taste amazing together with the garlic and with the mushroom. But there is a tip that you should know about chanterelle. This works for keto and for not keto, for everybody. Never cut them, just break with your hand like I'm doing, so the fibers will not break and they will taste so much better. This job is also a lot of fun, so if you have a kid, ask him or her to do it, but not over the pan because it could be dangerous. Just on a bowl, he can help you doing these fun things and he will love the dish so much more. A little salt and your chanterelle will be ready in a few minutes. This could be a dish, a keto dish like this, but it will not be typical of Rome if we don't add cacio e pepe, black pepper and cheese. So we will go on with the rest of the recipe, but if you want to eat the mushrooms like that, they are delicious. You just have to put a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley on top, and it will be a great side dish. And of course, as I just did, don't forget the powdered garlic, because remember, salty butter, mushrooms and garlic, the perfect combo. Then fresh parsley on top and your mushrooms, any kind of mushrooms, will taste amazing. And now the secrets for a perfect Roman sauce. Number 1, you should brown the black pepper in an empty pan. In this way, you will smell and you will feel a lot the flavor of the black pepper. Adding the heavy cream is the ketogenic tip, because usually this sauce is kept together by the starch that is in the water where you are boiling the pasta. As we are not preparing it with the pasta, we need that all the ingredients will stay together and will be creamy. So we will add the pecorino grated cheese and other heavy cream while stirring all this cream. It will become a sauce and the cheese will not stick to the pan. That's very important. It will be perfect when it will be creamy, a little bit dense, and you will smell an amazing perfume from this cheese, the heavy cream and the black pepper. Don't forget it, because it's a very important ingredient. The recipe is finished because this is another amazingly delicious but very easy and fast to prepare dish. As you can see, fast food can be healthy, can be fun, and also can be very Italian, even if we don't eat pasta. It's time to taste it and to check if it needs a little bit more salt or pepper. But I can tell you that it was delicious like that, so we will put it in the plate. This cacio e pepe was perfect. Look at the color. I think it looks even better than with pasta because the chanterelle are very yellow and it looks like a painting. You know that I like how food looks too, so this is perfect for me. I think it's also a perfect combination for Halloween and also for this season. Autumn, it's a lot of orange and I love it. As usual, I did a little disaster, but that's okay. The important is the dish. Let me know if you prepare it and I wait for your picture on my Instagram account. You can find me as LCHF_Italian or with my normal name, Barbara Minati. As you have just seen, I cleaned the dish and also the final touch, some fresh leaves of sage and also a little peek outside the window because we are in Sweden, it's already cold. And at the end of this video I will show you Rome. It's a big difference. And this is our final dish. But now it's time to walk together in Rome and you will see how beautiful it is. I really enjoyed my only day in Rome. I went there to record a docu-film, a documentary movie about the ketogenic diet. But I will tell you more when it will be ready, probably next year. Now I would like to thank all the amazing professionals that are working on that project. But also the very normal people like me that decided to share the stories, because in our case a ketogenic diet saved our daughter from a very complicated life. Letizia is affected by Glycogen Storage Disease type 5. That is a metabolic genetic condition that makes very hard to use her muscles because she cannot access to the glycogen stored in the muscles. With an alternative source of energy, fats transformed into ketones, she can have a very normal life. She started 7 years ago and she was a kid, now she's a beautiful girl, so we are very thankful to a ketogenic diet and we are happy to share our story to help others affected by the same disease.
All the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.